Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing Rhodes BBQ Smokehouse. Rhodes BBQ Smokehouse is a restaurant in Lausa, Ikeja. It's a fast casual spot. This is the upstairs area where I sat. Quite open, lots of natural lighting. The menu. My first order was a virgin colada, which I really enjoyed. It had traces of pineapple and coconut. Louis style pork ribs, 3 to 4 bones, Texas garlic toast, and coleslaw. The ribs were really nice. They were soft and fell off the bone quite easily. The garlic toast was also really good, but the coleslaw I didn't really like. It tasted like something you get at Chicken Republic. Remember what I said about the ribs being fall off the bone soft? Amazing. Roasted fries, which you can see here, they were amazing. I quite enjoyed the meal. Apart from the coleslaw. And then it was time for me to leave. As you can see, there isn't much of an ambience in Rhodes BBQ Smokehouse, but the service is good, the place is cool. It looks like somewhere you can go with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.